up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the beautiful Sunnyvale Skate Park. And today, Philip and I are going to teach you guys how to bail in and out of carve grinds, as well as force yourself to get into a backside carve grind and frontside carve grind and stay safe doing it. So check it out. Philip, you're killing it. Remember, nice big deep breath again. Slow your heart down. The more you can suppress that panic, it'll drive more focus, and then you can just let the ramps do the work. Let's start with one now where you don't hit the coping, but you get your feet set where they need to be and you allow yourself to lean in. That way you can stay leaned in on the toes and really tuck into your pump out, okay? Okay. Go slow. Don't give me a bunch of speed. I want you to feel the carve and the pump.
No coping.
No coping. Just super slow. Extend your pump up close to the coping and then really lean in till you're tucked into your pump. Slow it down. Nice exaggeration of your pump. Head in. Good. Dude, that was really good. Let's calm down a little bit, go a little bit slower. Nice big deep breath. Nice slow smooth pump up and into your carve.
So my natural inclination is to kind of kick turn a little bit into a grind, or
no,
just
nope.
Carve into
we are only carving. There will be no kick turns here. Okay. Typically when you're skating the bowl, unless you need to make a sharp turn, you know, just for the basic stuff, learning how to pump around a bowl, don't kick turn. It's better to be on the 4 wheels instead of 2. Let's start with just touching it. Just get yourself up into your grind. Take a big deep breath, nice and relaxed. Good, 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 good. That one was kind of fast. We'll slow it down just a little bit. Your goal now is to edge those wheels. Try to get those wheels close to the coping. Get that heart to race a little bit, but still have the confidence that, like, remember, I did this with my eyes closed. As long as you stay leaned in, there's no problem, I promise you. Nice and relaxed. Good.
Did I get closer?
You did get closer. So slow your heart down, even slower, big pump up. Big slow. Much better. Woo! Hey, now, confidence should really have been boosted right there, right?
I think I could have got it.
I'm pretty sure you got your wheels on that one. Nice deep breath, visualize your line. Nice and relaxed, slow. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Tell me all about it, man.
It was not as scary as I thought it was going to be.
See?
And it's super satisfying.
See?
It's super satisfying.
See, that's fantastic, dude. That was so sick. Oh man, it's gonna look so cool in slow motion. Totally.
I can't wait to see it.
Hey, thank you, man. That was so sick. Yeah! We're cooking, dude. This is a great lesson, especially because, like, we're getting into it fast, you know, like,
Good.
Yeah. I want you to start. Now you're gonna roll in on this corner, and this is front side.
This is where it gets awkward.
It does get awkward, but I promise you, we follow the exact same rules that we did for your backside. And right now it's awkward and panicking already because your brain is like, I don't know how to do this. This seems sketchy. It's a little bit different to get off of. Everything is okay. Here is the bonus. Here's something what's awesome for you. You can see the coping now.
Yeah.
Less panic, okay? Less panic. And remember, when I did this for you, I did it front side with my hand over my eyes closed, right? And I did that to prove to you that as long as you stay on your heels and continue your turn, you're not gonna hang up, okay? Yeah. Start small. Start super slow and small. Let me see just a carve. Nice, big, slow carve. Remember the leverage on the heels. Perfect. Continue your path of the rainbow shape. Because if you just stare at that coping, you might go up into that coping and then you won't continue your path. Do you need to bail? Do you want to work one bail where that back foot comes around? Or do you want to?
Give it a shot.
Yeah, let's do that one. Ah, almost, almost. Remember that back foot has to come around.
Come around.
Yes, back foot has to come around. And why does the back foot come around? That helps you lean over and pivot over that front foot into that scale position to get that head to go that way. The next thing for you, since you're trying all these, pull those knee pads back up again. Exaggerate that pump up a little bit more. Let those shoulders open up. Back foot. Good. Much better, dude. Much better. That was a gnarly one.
Felt all right.
For everybody else, it looked like you did it right. It's just, it happened so fast.
Yeah.
And then other people are gonna watch that and be like, man, that looks crazy. But to you, it felt good, right? It felt kind of almost like natural, right?
It didn't feel scary at all.
See, that's the trippy thing, because people are going to see that, especially who can't do this at all, and they're going to be like, man, that looks crazy. And it feels like it's a natural motion, that like your body just goes into that motion, and then it allows you to be chest opened up, to collapse to those knees as you slide down.
Your momentum's already going in that direction.
That's it, that's it. You're going with the flow. Push those front wheels up there a little bit more. No more bail, you got your bail. Focus on your pump up. Good, good. Adjust the feet. Head in. Good. Another big deep breath. Knee pads feel good. Focus on those front toe wheels and see how you can get them to just touch that coping. Elongate that pump up. Feel the ramp. Good. Just from what we've been doing, your skating's looking so much better, and you're probably not even like thinking about that at all. Right? You're hyper focused on these corners, but dude, like you ripping around these corners right now, like it looks good. You're adjusting your feet, you're really leaning your head into those corners more. Nice big deep breath, just a little bit longer pump up. Stay on those heels. Good. Head in. Good. Nice tucking into your pumps. Awesome. Nice and relaxed before you rush this. Look into the corner. Now, something that's going to help you and everybody else. Everybody, I want everybody to look at where my rainbow line is set on this corner here. Your goal is to touch the coping in the deepest part of the corner. So your apex should be in the deepest part of the corner. If I go up here and I stand back in the corner, look, right where I'm putting my finger, that's the deepest part of the corner. Now, why is that? That is so that once you hit the coping, the corner starts to turn in now and hugs you and holds you into that corner. Right? Because if you do it over here, as you start to come out, the ramp's gonna keep falling back away from you. Right. And it feels like you're bored, your legs start to come out from under you. That's why we learn these on corners first, because it is possible to do carve grinds on flat walls, but you really feel like your legs get pulled out from under you. So you want that corner to help you with this, and it'll hug you. Doing amazing, dude. Focus on your pump up. Good job, pushing that limit. You got the wheels on the coping. Good job, man. Hey. What a rush, huh?
Yeah. That's why I love this sport.
Dude, it's great. You're doing awesome. Big deep breath. Focus on your knee pads. Focus on your rainbow carve. Nice big pump up. Stay smooth. Visualize that rainbow on the ramp. You can do this. You can do it. It's all right. It's all right. Good try. Feel it out.
I pump harder on the down?
No,
here?
no. Just exaggerate your pump up and into it, and then a nice big tuck and pump out, because I want you to feel kind of slow on the corner. Good. See, that one was really slow, and you still got really close to the coping, right?
Not as close as the last time.
Okay.
I came into the rainbow a little bit too sharp. I came in like far over here.
Yep.
I wasn't focused. I need to slow down.
Good advice. Slow it down. Nice big deep breath. You're doing awesome, man. You can do this. Focus on your feet and nice big slow carve up. It's all right. Incremental. Just inch by inch. Feeling it out. Big tuck. Look at that. Confidence is definitely going up.
The downside of seeing the coping is I can miss it if I want to.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm turning away from it.
Well, yeah, yep, and that's gonna come, yeah, that's your brain's gonna keep doing that. It's gonna say, hey, shortcut this, right? And you're gonna have to push it just a little bit to like fight for this. Look at that. That's the wheels on the coping. Big deep breath. Woo! Yep, see, you felt it, and look at that. Did it really feel much different?
No.
No, it doesn't. It's in your mind. You can do it. Bigger pump, big pump up. Woo! You even kick turned out of that one. Hey, but that's sick, right? That's something you didn't even expect to do, but that shows your commitment. A little more speed now. Nice deep breath. Good. You've done this so many times now to where it's like, it's just trial and error at this point. But that's awesome, that's what you want. Remember, elongate that pump up a little bit more. Check the knee pads, check the feet, and visualize that rainbow. So you stay in the furthest part of the corner, deepest part of the corner. Big pump, big slow pump up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, it didn't get any better than that, my man.
All right.
That was so sick. That's the cover, baby.
Oh, baby. Oh,
yeah.
Oh. Finally, I did it.
Man, Hey, thanks for letting me film this, dude. Seriously.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for the instruction. That was awesome.
This was epic.
Oh, man, I feel so much better already.
Cool, dude. Hey, I hope you guys really liked this video. Philip tried super hard. His dedication was 100%, if not more. And if you guys want to support the channel, click the description box below. Consider sending a donation. Share this video with your friends or anyone who could benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. Check the library of videos that I've already made to help you build confidence and understanding how to skate, street tricks and transition tricks, especially a bunch of transition tricks for you guys that want to skate bowls, mini ramps, and rip around the park. From me to you, thanks again for watching and continuing to support Skate Park Lessons.